Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we've got something special lined up just in time for the holiday season. We're diving into the world of gift wrapping with what I believe to be the best-priced Christmas wrapping paper on the market. Introducing the JAMPaper Assorted Gift Wrap, Christmas Foil Wrapping Paper. This colorful and festive set is here to make all your presents sparkle and shine under the tree. Let's start by talking about what sets this wrapping paper apart. First off, it comes in a pack of 3 rolls, each offering 25 square feet of coverage. That's a total of 75 square feet of wrapping goodness. And with designs like red snowflakes, colorful bright and merry, and green Santa and Christmas trees, you'll have the perfect paper for every gift on your list. But what makes this wrapping paper stand out is its premium foil finish. Not only does it look stunning, but it's also thick enough to keep prying eyes from peeking at what's inside. Plus, it's designed specifically for the holiday season, so you can bet it'll add that extra touch of festive cheer to your gifts. Now, let's talk about what customers are saying. With over 1,700 ratings and an impressive 4.6 out of 5 stars, it's safe to say that people love this wrapping paper. Many customers praise its quality, color variety, and ease of use. They appreciate how it makes their gifts look great while remaining durable throughout the wrapping process. One satisfied customer said, "These were great for the price. Very durable wrapping paper with super cute designs on them." Another mentioned, "The paper is beautiful. Love that it is thicker so it doesn't rip." Now, you're probably wondering about the price. Well, here's the best part. This fantastic set of wrapping paper rolls is currently priced at just $17.99, saving you $3 off the typical price. That's a steal for the quality and quantity you're getting. And the best news? It's available right now on Amazon, so you can have it delivered straight to your door in no time. So, if you want to make this holiday season extra special with beautifully wrapped presents, look no further than the JAMPaper Assorted Gift Wrap, Christmas Foil Wrapping Paper. Trust me, your gifts will be the talk of the town. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews on the products you love. Until next time, happy wrapping!